The greatest value is the topic itself, which is clearly up to date. The course approaches the topic of AI very broadly, from robots through computers and software. I know that it's important that as AI managers, regardless of what field we specialize in, we have a broad view of the entire technology. The course describes this perfectly and suggests development paths that we can take further. At the beginning of the course, the statement that data scientist is the sexiest job ever was mentioned. That convinced me. The community built around the course and around the entire Elephant AI, which I have become a part of, is also of great value to me. We can inspire each other, cooperate, share materials, maybe even make friends. I believe that together we can do great things. I like course intensity. My brain is working at full speed and I love it. Before the course, I was just an outside observer of AI technology. Now I am a part of this trend and I am excited. It reminds me the scene from Finding Nemo when the characters encounter a sea current that allows them to travel quickly across the ocean. Sea creatures can get carried away by these currents, which allows them to reach their destination quickly. That's what it feels like. I'm lucky that I started the course now when there is so much happening around AI. Most AI technology, according to Gartner, are at the innovation trigger level. Some are approaching the peak, so this is the perfect moment. I also love the host, Maria, who sets the pace, doesn't let us get bored, and infects us with her energy and passion for AI. This is not an easy knowledge, but thanks to Maria, it becomes understandable and accessible to us. Thank you, Maria, for leading us, for your mission. We will not let you down. I would like to use the opportunities offered by AI in our company. Already 10 years ago, we started looking for a technology that would solve our problems and allow us to implement our ideas. However, it was always too early. Technological issues were always a barrier. Finally, 2 years ago, the technology was ready, and since then we have been implementing our project. And our potential is huge. We have millions of data. You can say that we are a paradise for AI. I believe that AI solution can be a lever for our further dynamic development of the company. An interesting fact, before the course, when I talked to data scientists, I didn't really want to listen how something was done, because I simply didn't understand it. I just wanted to see the results. It's different now. I understand the whole process better and I'm happy to discuss it. In fact, I already sent them various solutions that I learned during the course and which may prove useful in our project. The course is a life changer for me. For a long time, I felt that something was missing. I turned 40, I had 20 years of work behind me, retirement was closer than ever. I felt that I had already achieved most things and all the most exciting things were behind me. Then suddenly, one day, while listening to one of the podcasts, I learned about the Elephant AI course. Maria, like Trinity, invited me down the rabbit hole. I decided to take the red pill and enter the world of AI. I remember when I got my first computer. It was a C64. I remember the emotions that accompanied it. It was the beginning of a wonderful adventure in the world of computers and games that lasted throughout my childhood. I admit that I missed it in adulthood, and I know that it's not only me. People of my generation in general often refer to the old times. Hence the various retro movements, the saying, "It used to be cooler in the past." It's because we remember and miss the emotion that accompanied us then. Today the world is different, we are different, and I thought that those emotions were just a memory I would not come back. Guess what? They are back, and thanks to the course, I can feel like a child again. For example, as a fan of pop culture, which is full of examples of AI in movies, games, now I see it all comes true. Well, almost everything. Where is my hoverboard? Anyway, for example, I saw a video from the last Microsoft Ignite where a copilot based on AI is used, combined with augmented reality technology in some factory where people were creating machines. I thought, just like Tony and Jarvis, this is really happening. Fascinating. And one more thing. Also at the recent Microsoft Ignite conference, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang said that all AI is bigger than PCs, bigger than mobile, and will be bigger than the internet. It's hard to disagree with this. This awareness makes the course even more exciting, and I can be a part of it. I'm grateful that I can live and actively participate in the next era of technology development, AI. The adventure continues. I love traveling with my family, visiting new places, especially amusement parks, lots of fun. Personally, I'm a fan of pop culture, from computers, games, comics, and movies. My name is Wojciech Wro. I work as a CEO at Grupa Biznes Polska, a company that collects, processes, and sells data on public tenders.